Hello guys, this is Mr. Gloria and welcome to another session of Algebra 1 video tutorial. For today, we're going to try to go over solving systems with technology, and that means TI Nspire calculator. So for those of you who are enrolled in Algebra 1 but taking it remotely, I suggest to go to the library from Monday to Friday. The time is from 9 o'clock to 4 p.m. and check out a calculator for you. So what do you mean by solving systems with TI Nspire is that we are going to use the feature of one of the features of TI Nspire calculator, and that feature is what we so-called LinSolve or linear solve. Okay. These steps to follow is provided here in this PDF form, which is available for you to download from our Google Classroom. Look for the materials for 12/03 December 3. Then download. You can print this, by the way, or if not, if you don't have access to printer, just copy the steps on how to solve systems using TI Nspire in your composition notebook. So it's very direct to the point. Step 1, 2, 3, and 4, then 5, 6, 7, and so on. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to demonstrate how the steps should be done using the TI Nspire calculator. Okay, let's look at example number 1 here. The system x plus y equals 13 and 2x minus 3y equals 1. Step 1 is from the home screen right here. If you look on the left side, my fault. On the left side, it's the TI Nspire calculator. So we're gonna press the home screen. Right now I'm the home screen. And then we're gonna go to the add calculator. Add calculator or add calculate. You can do it in 3 ways. One, by pressing or going to that letter A and press A. Second, we can go to the icons on the bottom and select the first icon. That's add calculator. Okay, and then hit enter. Another way of going to that add calculator is just by pressing letter A from our keypad. All right, so you have about three, okay, sort of three options. Okay, and there's some more on how to go to add calculator. But anyways, let's go ahead and do the second step. Okay, so it says press menu. We're gonna press menu here, then go down to algebra. Okay, then from here we're gonna press the arrow right to go to option number 2, which is solve systems of linear equation, and hit enter. Okay, now there are options that will pop up in here. Okay, it says number of equations. The default is 2, which is for algebra 1. That is what we need. No variables x and y. So from here, all you have to do is just hit OK or enter. And now you'll see LinSolve and then 2 boxes, comma xy. So it's like telling the calculator to solve for the system. Equation 1 is on the first box. Equation 2 should be typed on the second box, and look for the point of intersection, which is x comma y. Okay, so let's go ahead and type the first equation. X plus y equals 13. And then arrow down to type the next equation, which is 2x minus 3y is equals 1. And then as soon as you hit enter, that gives you the solution set. Like in example 1, in the system, x plus y equals 13 and 2x minus 3y equals 1. The solution is 8 comma 5. So if you graph these two equations, you'll find out that the lines will intersect at the point 8 comma 5. Okay, so you've seen solving systems by graphing. You've seen solving systems by substitution, and this is one of one of the what do you call these strategies or options for you, okay, to solve systems of equations. Okay, and in your EOC, and even if in your final exam, you're allowed to use this. Okay, LinSolve or solving systems using the TI Nspire. Okay, so let's go ahead and have some more example. Example number two. System number two is x plus y equals 2 and x minus y equals 6. Okay, so let's review the steps. This time, since we are already in add calculator, we're gonna skip step one. Okay, so now step two, first menu, we go to algebra and then go to numeric to solve systems of linear equations. Okay, then again, either hit OK or hit enter. Now let's type the given equations. X plus y equals 2, then arrow down, then we have x minus y equals 6. Okay, then let's hit enter, and there you have it. The answer is 4, comma negative 2. Okay, so I think of all the strategies we covered, this is the easiest strategy, or should I say, option for you to solve systems of equations, right? Just typing it in the calculator and boom, it gives you the answer right away. Okay, let's look for a different format. Like for example, number 4. One is in standard form and the other is in slope intercept form. Okay, so you follow the same steps, menu, we go to number and then solve systems of linear equations. Okay, and then as soon as you see this window, just hit enter or OK. Now it's time for us to type the given equations. So 2x plus, or minus, my bad, minus 5y equals 19. Okay, and the other one is y equals 4x minus 11. Then hit enter, and that gives us 2 comma negative 3. So the solution of the system is 2 comma negative 3. Okay. Let's do number 6. Okay. The given is x equals negative 6y and 4x plus 7y equals negative 17. So again, it's a LinSolve. So menu, algebra. So I accidentally click on number 1. So I'm just gonna delete this. Okay. So menu. I can actually press 3 in the keypad and then press 2 in the keypad, then enter. So menu 3, 2, enter. It will do the same thing. Okay, so the equation number 1 is x equals negative 6y. Then the second equation is 4x plus 7y equals negative, my bad, negative 17. Okay, then hit enter. And there you have it. There's your answer, negative 4 or negative 6, comma 1. Okay. There are some cases in which the LinSolve or the calculator will give you something like no solution, okay, or many infinite solution. Let's say the given equation, again, menu 3, 2, enter. Let's say the system is x plus y equals 19, and x plus y equals negative, say, 15. And we hit enter. See, no solution found. So that means that the lines, when you graph these, the lines will be parallel and there is no point of intersection. Okay, so that's how no solution looks like when it comes to a linear solve or LinSolve. Here's another one, menu 3, 2, and then hit enter. Let's say the given function is 3x minus 2y equals 5, and the second equation is 6x minus 4y equals 10. Okay, let's see what will happen in here. Hit enter, and boom, it gives you some type of weird solution. You know, the C1. When it comes to that, your answer will be many infinite solutions. When you grab these two lines will be on top of each other. Okay, the same line. Okay, no solution, parallel line. When it comes to a solution like this in the calculator, it's same line. Okay. All right. Let's see one problem here. 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So let's say number 11. Two families go to a hockey game. One family purchased 2 adult tickets and 4 youth tickets for $33. Another family purchases 4 adult tickets and 5 youth tickets for 51 and 75. What is the cost of an adult ticket and the cost of a youth ticket? Okay, so let's type our function. Let's have the menu 3 2 first. Okay, and then get the equation from the word problem. The adult ticket will be the X and the youth tickets will be the Y. So one family, 2 adult tickets, so that's 2X plus 4 youth tickets, so 4Y equals the total value of the tickets is $33. Boom, 33. Then go down. The second family purchases 4 adult tickets, so 4X plus 5 youth tickets, so 5Y, which is equal $51.75. Okay, so here's our equation from problem number 11, and then hit enter. That gives us 7 and 475. So the price of the adult tickets is $7, and the cost or the price of the youth ticket is $4.75. So you've seen the 3 types or 3 strategies we covered for this week. If you think this linear solve is the best for you, then this linear solve. If you think graphing will be the best for you, then use graphing. Okay? So there are some cases, like for example, in your final exam, in which you will be asked to show or to solve a certain system with a certain strategy, with a certain method, and you have to follow that. Okay? There's nothing you can do about that. Let's say the system A and such and B and such should be solved by substitution. And you have to show your work using substitution. But if the method is not actually, um, required for you to do, then you may resort to just using linear solve. Okay? Again, this is Mr. Gloria, reminding the class to always practice, practice, and practice, because practice makes perfect. Thank you, and have a good day.